after getting up and how to start the day. Suppose that after getting up, what to do, what to help. Suppose after getting up, what to do. Actual, in my opinion, according to me, I help my mom. Whatever. Suppose that I help my mom like cooking. I love. So whenever whenever my mother cook a chapati, make chapati. So hello, ma'am. Good morning. First of all, I'd like to say.
Yes, very good morning.
And how are you, ma'am?
I am absolutely fine, fit as fiddle. What about you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. And ma'am, okay, ma'am. Then would you please introduce yourself?
Yes, why not? I am Saraswati. I live in Mumbai. Basically, I belong to UP. I have done BA B.Ed and also completed my web designing course and worked for 15 years in Mumbai. Now I am a homemaker and along with that, I am also running my YouTube channel. That's all about
My
me.
name is Pritam, and I'm from West Bengal. And right now, I'm doing graduation, and as well as I'm doing work, and as well as I have also YouTube channel. So I'm also running a YouTube channel. So in this time, so that's all.
That's
So ma'am,
great.
in yeah, so in this conversation, so we are talking about happiness because in this time, you know, uh, our life is so busy, but we forget our happiness. So that's why we are. So that's why I thought that why not we are talking about happiness in this session. I'm gonna tell you what is the happiness. So happiness is a positive and contented and state of being emotion like where you feel joy and satisfaction and pleasure in your life, that is a called happiness. So and please tell me what is the happiness, because the different people has a different answer and different people think different type of different way, because happiness is the biggest topic, is so beautiful. This is a beautiful topic. So can you please tell me about what is your definition?
Yes, sir. Different people have different opinion, and it is vary to people to people. Means, if suppose if you get happiness with someone, and I will not happy with the same thing. My choice will be something different. Suppose if you have happiness, you find happiness when you watch movies, but at the same time my feeling will be different, correct? So happiness is the emotion, it's a feeling.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
And suppose I want a car in my life, and when I have that car, I feel happy. If I want a position in my life, and when I get that position, that time I feel happy. Sometimes when people appreciate us, then we feel happy.
Yes, ma'am.
Sometimes parents expect their children to get good marks, and when their child get good marks, then they feel happy, and the child also feel happy. So yes, happiness is different for different persons.
There is a two person, and one is a poor person and second is a rich person, and there is a one cell phone. For example, one cell phone. Suppose the poor person does not have cell phone, and but the rich person has a lot of mobile cell phone. So when when I get when I give a mobile a poor person, then the poor person is so happy about giving about taking mobile, but rich person has a when I give rich person, when I give a mobile rich person, then that rich person is not happy because they has a lot of cell phone, and
Yes,
that
I got your point. Yes, I
yeah.
got your point. As you want to say that different people have different they get happiness with different things. Suppose one person get happiness with mobile, but at the same time the other person will not happy with mobile because he has also a lot of mobile.
Yeah.
And now people are totally depend on happiness on the outer world.
Yeah, out of source, whatever, and they think that this is a happiness. I get
Yes.
cell phone, does I happy.
And
Yeah,
now every people depends on happiness, depends on other people to get happiness.
yeah, yes,
But and when you so definitely if you depend on other person, then
yes,
definitely you will not be for a long time.
yes, ma'am. Suppose some there are two boys, and two boys uh, one boy, they one boy is a sad, and one boy other boy is a happy, and after that you can see, and they are working same thing, they are working same thing, they are learning like suppose for example they are learning English in this time. So one boy is a sad and other boy is a happy, we can see that who will who will be able to do better in your field, because and suppose they are working in a entire month, and after it after entire month you can see that yeah they suppose one boy who is a happy, who is a happy to do any kind of thing. So so that boy is progressing, that boy is developing their work, but there and other side that boy is a sad, they don't achieve, they don't achieve any kind of thing. Yeah.
So I'm saying you that happiness is depend on the situation and the condition of my mind also, the
Yes,
state of
ma'am.
mind.
Yeah.
Actually,
So what
happiness
is the
is a very big topic.
yeah.
Uh, it's very big topic, and there are a lot of things that affect on our
Yes.
happiness. Yes, but these things are affect like every people depends on outer world. They are finding, they are searching, seeking happiness in the outer world.
Yes, ma'am. Was in the morning time and after getting, and what we should do, what things we should do, and that makes us happy entire day. And what is the like any kind of solution? Any yeah. Please
Yes,
tell me.
according to me, if you want to be happy with yourself and you will depend only on you to be happy, so it is possible. Suppose if you find happiness to help other people, so this happiness will be for a long time.
Yes.
If someone has a need of money and that time when you help that people to give money, then you will feel happy.
Yes, ma'am.
And sometimes you can do yoga also. If you want to be happy in your life, you can do such types of exercise that will help you be. And if you think only in positive way in any
Yeah.
situation, if you feel only in positive way, then you will feel happy for a long time. Means I try to say that you should not depend on other people to be
Yeah.
happy.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
definitely your happiness will be for a long time. Other people to appreciate you. When other people will appreciate me, then I will feel happy. Suppose you wear a good dress, good shirt, good t-shirt,
Yes.
and you are waiting that nobody have told me that I am looking so handsome.
Yes, ma'am.
So you will feel like I have wear so beautiful t-shirt, but no one is appreciating for that.
Yes, ma'am.
You should not depend on other people. You should have confidence on you. Yes, I am looking handsome. Today
Yes,
I am
ma'am.
looking more handsome.
Yes,
Yes,
and yes, ma'am. In this time, we upload the video like on Facebook, and we upload like a video contents on Insta Reels, and after that, somebody doesn't click and doesn't like your photo. Then after
yes,
that,
this is
you
a
feel
good
like
example. This is very
and
good example. As we are trying our best to discuss
yeah,
on this topic,
yeah,
and suppose someone is not going to watch our video, we should not be feel unhappy or uncomfortable, because yes, we are trying our best.
yeah, yes, ma'am.
Whatever we have knowledge, we are saying, we are discussing, so we should be happy. Yes, I am able, at least I am able to speak little bit on this topic.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
In this,
definitely. In the next conversation, if we discuss on the same particular topic, we have a
yes,
lot of things to discuss, because we have
yes,
now,
ma'am.
today I am familiar with so many words, so many things, so many thoughts. So in the next conversation, we will do better.
Yes, ma'am. So right now right now discussing, we are sharing each other whatever you have knowledge and whatever I have knowledge. Then it makes us happy, and
Yes.
it's a good thing. Like and ma'am, I have a note. So I have wrote down note some points. So like after getting up and how to start the day. Suppose after getting up, what to do, what should and what we should do, what is that. So after getting first point, ma'am, so to help suppose after getting up, what to do actual, in my opinion, according to me, I help my mom, whatever. Suppose I help my mom like cooking, I love. So whenever my mother cook a chapati, make chapati, when I help. So give me, I know that how to roll chapati. I know that how
Okay.
to make chapati. So I know. So give. So that makes me happy. Yo, that is the first thing. Okay, and second thing is to pray. Suppose
Prayer is very important.
after getting up, we have to pray for all the people, for all the world, and that
For
makes me
whole
happy.
universe, we should pray, not
Yeah,
only for some people, our relatives. We should
yeah,
pray every day for
yes,
whole universe.
yeah, for whole universe. So that makes us happy, and our mind is positive that time, and we don't have any negative any
Negative
negative
thoughts
thought.
come in our
Yeah,
mind.
yeah. This is my second point, and my third point is to take exercise. You told me just the like you take exercise, and we take exercise every day. We after taking exercise, we perform meditation, and that will make happiness. And when we take exercise, and after that we will feel that yeah, what is the thing we are saying like this, what is it, because until unless we take exercise, we don't know what is the feeling of happiness. Because whenever we do breathing exercise, one is a anulom bilom, that time, and when we breathe long and after that slowly we breathe out, that time we feel internal happiness. I cannot express you, because when we do, then after that we feel realize that thing. So that is
Okay.
my third point. And my fourth point is that to thank God, to
Yes.
thank air, to thank uh, sun, to thank water, to thank trees, all the things.
Whatever we have, whatever God has given us, we should thank for God every day. Every morning, every
Yes,
evening, we should thank to God. Yes, I have all things that I have need in our life.
yes, ma'am. So in and suppose God has, and suppose not suppose, sorry, God has given God has given like a beautiful life, this life, and in this time. So I think that in according to me, we should thank all the things nature, like air. I told you, air, sun, water, dhatima. So like this,
Or
whenever we thank all the things, nature and our body, this is a beautiful, and this is a gift, and this has been given by God, and this thing is beautiful thing, and our God has given already our brain such a beautiful, and in this world only a human being has a super mind,
yes,
supercomputer, and there is in this time in on so and there is in this time on the moon.
yes,
So and university, what is a black hole, and in this time human being can do only this thing.
yes,
Nobody can do any kind of anything. So I think that human being, we are human, and this is a good opportunity, and we can share, we can help, we can means whatever we want to do and whatever we like, and means
to share our things to others. Yes,
या हमें
but the
अपने लिए
knowledge
जीना
we
नहीं है,
have, we should.
या वे हमें अपने लिए जीना नहीं है, हमें दूसरों के लिए जीना है, then we get happiness a lot of after that. Then
Yes.
please, ma'am, would you please tell me after finishing what do you say, and after that this session is
Yes,
over.
sir, our conversation is good, very good, and we today we have get a lot of knowledge through our conversation. Yes, happiness is very important in life, and everybody is seeking for happiness.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
I would also like to say you, please don't depend on the materialistic things to get happy, because these things are only temporary things. But if you
Yes, ma'am.
want to be happiness for a long time, so you should think positive way, only think in a positive way, whatever is situation. Yes,
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
a very big topic. I'm not
Ye-
able to speak a long a lot of things, but yes, these things, if you
yes,
at least if
basic.
you think, if you will do all these things, so definitely you will be happy in your life.
Because this topic, I love this topic, that's why. So but I'm also beginners, that's why I have a lot of thought, I have a knowledge, but I in English language.
Conversation, we are
Yeah,
not getting words.
yeah, I cannot express my thought in through the English language, that's why. So but
Okay,
yeah.
so definitely we will discuss again on this topic, and we will find some new things how to be happy more in our life.